So R1250gs key, forgot it in the seat lock, push the bike forward, snapped right off. Called the dealer, this is the part number. They sent me a replacement. It cost every bit of $28, and it slides into this holster. I used a plastic wedge to hold this one at a 90-degree angle. I used a small screwdriver to punch that guy out. It's only one small pin in the center, and the replacement key comes with 2 pins. I assume if you lose one, and I used a small Phillips screwdriver to push it out, and the hammer. New one goes in, and voila. Hope this helps. Cheers.